Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Capgemini exam. Today, I'm going to cover two of the important topics from Capgemini, that is pseudocode and game-based aptitude. And both are very important. Why? Because out of 40 MCQs, you'll be having 25 pseudocode questions, and then after that, you will be having game-based aptitude. And as much as you perform good in game-based aptitude, there will be more possibilities of getting selected for the next round. Okay, why I'm telling this, I'll discuss it later, so just watch till the end. It will be very much helpful to you. Okay, before that, if you have not subscribed it yet, then please subscribe it and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and please share this content with your friends so that they can also take help from this, so that I'll be also motivated. Okay, so let's start with the first question, that is regarding obviously pseudocode. And today, whatever I'm going to share with you right now, all of them are recently asked. And the important thing is, like as you can see here, the code line is containing only 6 lines, but for your case, maybe for your slot, the line of questions, the line of algorithms, and the line of codes will be more than that. And it is obviously, and it is expected that for your case it may be like will be around 10 to 15 lines of codes. Okay, so this will not be a fact. Even the longer questions will be more easier. Why? I'll discuss it later. Okay, so just wait. So let me just discuss this problem, then we'll go to them. Okay, so what will be answer for this case? Please give the answer in the comment section before I give. Okay, so I hope you have already like tried. So let me just explain this. Okay, so at first, as you can see, at first they have given one function having two parameters, that is an integer a and another integer b. Okay, then the base condition is if b is greater than 3. Actually the base condition is not mentioned. Okay, it's still fine. So if b greater than 3, then return a plus fun a comma b minus a. So big like basically they are recursively calling the function, nothing else. So let's just discuss. So at the first, value of a is 5 and b is 5, so 5, and here also it is 5. So I hope the pen color is like visible to you guys. So a5 and b5. Okay, so let me just change the pen color to red. Okay, so a5 and b5. So if b is greater than 3, that means 5 is greater than 3. Yes, 5 is greater than 3. So let's just return a plus fun a comma b minus a. So a was what? A was 5. Then fun a comma b minus a. So a is 5 and b minus a is 0. Okay, so as soon as the control of the program comes at this point, then it will start executing the code again. So here it will be the control. So if b greater than 3, so here a is 5 and b is 0. Okay, so b means 0. So 0 is greater than 3. No, so this will be false. So this control will go to here out of the if block, and it will return 5. Okay, this function will return 5. Why? Because the condition did not match, and it will go outside the if block, and outside the if block nothing is written apart from this return statement. So returning a, that means the value of a is 5, so it will return 5. Okay, so 5 plus 5 will be 10, and that will be the returning value of the function. Okay, so the correct answer will be option b. So I hope your answer is also same, and I'm pretty much sure that for your case, maybe for some of your answer is 5, some of your answer is 15, but still you can check this from your compiler and write the equivalent code in Python or Java or any code. Okay, then just execute that. I hope your answer will be also 10. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So the next question is this. So guys, just wait, I'll give you one quiz question at the end. So please watch till the end, it will be very much helpful for you guys. Okay, so what will be the answer? I hope this is visible to you guys. So integer j and m, then they have initialized the value of m is equal to 1 and integer a4 is equal to 1 2 2 2 2, and this is the XOR function, like we have to perform XOR operation here, then plus XOR operation, and at the end print the value of m, nothing else. So print the value of m. So guys, please give the answer in the comment section, and just assume that this is your exam hall and you are solving the questions, and you have only 1 minute per question. So just assume that and try to solve. Okay, so guys, if you don't know how to solve XOR operation and how to solve the logical and bitwise or like all these operations, then please just watch all the playlist of Capgemini or Accenture. Those will be helpful for you, because like almost all of the questions are similar. Okay, so what will be the answer? Okay, let me just show the options. There, those are 18 minus 5, 5, and I think 6. So what will be the correct answer? Okay, so let me just discuss it. So they initialize the value of m is equal to 1, then initialize the array and size is 4. So at first we have to perform XOR operation between m and a3 element. So a3 means, so it is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 means, a3 means 2. Okay, so m is 1, 1 and 3. Okay, 1 XOR 3, 1 XOR, sorry, 2, 1 XOR 2, a3 means 2. Okay, so equivalent value of 1 in binary, that is 0, 1, and equivalent value of 2 in binary, it is 1, 0. So in case of XOR operation, if both the statement are same, then those will be false. If any of the statement is different, if one statement is different, then those will be true. Okay, so I hope you understood. So in this case, as you can see, one statement is different, so it will be true. One statement is different, so this will be true. So this is the answer, and this is equivalent to 3. This like equivalent decimal value of this is 3. So m is equal to now 3. Okay, so then again they have initialized value of m as equal to m plus a2. So m is equal to 3, we know that, but a2 means what? That is 2. So it becomes 5. Again here they have initialized, so m is equal to 5. So this m is equal to 5, and a2 is 2 again. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So now here we have to again perform XOR operation. So 7 XOR a3. So 7 XOR a3 means 2. Okay, so 7 7 is the equivalent of 1, 1, 1, and equivalent of 2 is 0, 1, 0. Okay, so now tell me, what will be the correct answer if we perform XOR operation? So here one statement is different, so it will be true. Here both statement is same, so it will be false. Here one statement is different, so it will be true. So 101, so this is equivalent to 5. Okay, so 100 is 4, 1000 is 8. So this way you can remember. Okay, 100 is 4 and 101 is 5. Okay, so this becomes 5. Then they have told you to print the value of m. They have told you to print the value of m. So what will be the value of m? That is 5. Okay, so is this in option? Yes. So the correct answer will be option 5. Okay, so I hope your answer is also same. If your answer is different, you can challenge my answer. Okay, so just comment wisely. I'll try to make a change in this. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So the next question is this. Okay, so as you can see in this question, the number of line is mentioned 12. Okay, but what I told earlier, that is, if the number of line is higher, the question will be more easier. Why? I am going to discuss that. But before that, if you have not purchased our prime materials of Capgemini, in which we have included all the recent questions with answers, like all previous year questions as well, here you will get all the pseudocode questions, all the technical questions, and mock test coding questions, all are there. So if you want, then just DM me at insta handle instagram.com/techno.tf, or just you can pay 79 rupees using the UPI ID given in the description box. Send me the screenshot of the same at our Insta handle. I will give you the materials at your mail. Okay, I have like materials of Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Delta X, Wipro, etc. etc. So if you want Infosys also, if you want all of these, just damn me at our Insta handle. Okay, it is paid but very affordable. Okay, so let me go to the discussion part. So here, as I have told that the number of line is higher, like more. Okay, so here as you can see, at the very beginning of the question there is a if block. So value of a is mentioned 1 3, b is 3, c is 5. So c is equal to 5. Okay, so if we perform and bitwise and operation between c and b, 5 and b, so what happens, let me just show you. So 5 means 101 and 3 means 011. Okay, if we perform and operation, so in case of and operation, both statement need to be true, so that it will be true. If any of the statement is false, then it will be false. Okay, so here the answer is 1, so this becomes 1, this becomes 1. It is greater than 2 minus a, so 2 minus a means 2 minus 1, so it becomes 1. So 1 is greater than 1, 1 is greater than 1, no it is not. So that's why, as you can see, this if block is ending here, this if block is ending here. So you don't have to do anything with these lines, so that means you can skip all of these. So just go to the end out of the if block. So c is equal to 7 and b, so 7 bitwise and operation, then b. So that's why I was telling that the number of line, when it will be greater, it will be more, then the question will be more easier. So as you can see, we have skipped all of these lines, just we have to perform this and a plus b plus c, nothing else. So 7 and b, so 7 means 1 1 1, as I have told in the earlier question. So 7 and b is 3, so 3 means 0 1 1. So in case of and operation, both statement is true, so it is true, both statement is true, so it is true, one statement is false, so it will false. Okay, so 1 1 means 3, so a, so c means 3. Okay, c means 3, so a means 1, b means 3, so c means 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 7. So correct answer will be 7. Okay, so I hope you guys understood and your answer is also same. So at the end, I am going to share all the like game based aptitude questions, so please watch till the end. Okay, so this is the next question, guys, so please pause the video and try to give the answer in the comment section before I give. Okay, so guys, I hope you have already covered the essay writing. If you have not, then you can also grab the same at our prime materials. So essay writing is also very important round, because in this round 30% candidates are getting eliminated because of some errors, because of some silly mistakes. Those can be like be careful. Okay, be careful in essay writing, so that you don't get removed from this. Okay, so what will be the output of the following pseudocode? So I hope this is visible to you guys. So at first, let me just share value of p, q and r are initialized. So at the first, we are checking the condition if q plus 8 is greater than r minus q. So q plus 8 means q is equal to 4, 4 plus 8 means 12 greater than r minus q, r minus q, 8 minus 4, that is 4. Okay, so 12 obviously greater than this 4, so we have to go inside the if block, and p is equal to r plus p. So r plus p means r is equal to 8 and p is equal to also 8. So 8 plus 8 is equal to 16, so value of p becomes 16. Then out of the if block, it is again being reinitialized the value of p, that is 9 zor q. So value of 9, so as I have told you earlier that 4 is 100 and 8 is 1000, so 9 will be 1001. Okay, 9 will be 1001, that is the equivalent of 9. Okay, so 1001. Then q, so what is the value of q? That is 4, so 4 is 100, so 100. Okay, so just perform XOR operation between them, as I have told you earlier, that is in case of XOR operation, if both the statement is different, then only it will be true. If it is same, then it is false. If it is different, then it is true. different, it is true. So 1101. So like as I have told, 1000 is for what? 1000 is for 8. Okay, 4 is for 100, 8 is for 1000. Okay, so 1001 is 9, 1010 is 10, 1010 is 10. Okay, 1011 is 11. Okay, then 1100, that is 12, and 1101 means 13. Okay, so this way it works. So 13, so 13 is the value of new value of p. So 13 plus q, that is 4, and the value of r is 8. So 13 plus 8, that is 21, plus 4, that is 25. So correct answer will be option B. So I hope your answer is also same. If not, then you can recheck it and you can challenge my answer as well. Okay, so let me go to the next question, that is this. And this is the question you have to solve, guys. Please solve it and give me the answer in the comment section. And before that, let me share the quiz question. So this is the quiz question for you guys. So like as you can see here, also the line of question is 12. Okay, so don't be worried about this. Most of the time the if block is going to be false, and you don't have to execute the statement inside this, so you have to skip those. So that's why the number of line, whenever the number of line will be greater, you have to solve lesser. Okay, so this is a quick question for you guys, so please give the answer in the comment section. Just assume this is a your exam hall. Okay, I hope this is visible to you guys. So options are not available, so just give the answer randomly from after solving this. Okay, so in this case, what will be the correct answer, guys? Okay, so let me just share, guys. Again, if you have not subscribed it yet, then please subscribe. Okay, I'm again and again requesting you so that you will obviously do. Okay, so set p, q and r is equal. So set p and q and r, they have initialized the value of these, and we have to at first value re-initialize the value of r, that is r and q. So bitwise AND operation between r and q. So value of r is 6 and q is 6. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you one trick. Before that, let me just solve it. So 6 and 6. Okay, so one, sorry, let me just tell you that, let's say if you are solving 3 and 3, so if we perform bitwise AND operation between 3 and 3, so value of 3 is 11, so it is 11. So what will be the correct answer? It will be obviously true. It will be obviously true. So the value becomes itself. Okay, if we perform 4 and 4, what will be the correct answer? 4, that means it is equivalent to 100, 100. If we perform AND operation, then false, 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 and true, true, true. So it is again becoming itself. So that means if we perform AND operation between same number, same digit, then it will be itself. Okay, so 6 means 110, 110. So it will be itself. 000, I mean false, 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 and true, 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 true. So it is itself. Okay, so that means this is the trick. So whenever the number will be same in case of AND operation, then the answer will be itself. Okay, so r and q, r and q, so it is 6. Okay, then if 7 zor p zor r, 7 zor p zor r less than this, so just let's just perform this. So 7 zor p, 7 zor p, so 7 is 111. I think this is very smaller, so let me just write it little bigger. 111, this is 7, and p is 8, so 8 is 1000. Okay, it is 1000. So if we perform XOR operation between them, so here it is different. So I have told you that whenever it will be different, so it will be true, different, true, different, true, different, true. So this is 11, 11. So as I have told, like shown you earlier, that is 1100 is 12. Okay, 1100 is 12. 1101 is 13. 1110 is 14, and 1111 is 15. Okay, so here I have shown you that 1101 is 13. Okay, that means 1110 is 14, 1111 is 15. This way you can remember. Okay, so this is equivalent to 15. Okay, so 15 XOR R. So new value of R is 6. So R is 6. So that is 110. So if we perform XOR operation between this again, so this is different. So it will be true. It is same. So it will false. It is same. It is false. It is different. It is true. So it is like 1000 is 8 and 1001 is 9. So this is equivalent to 9. So this value becomes 9. Is it lesser than 5 plus r plus q? So 5 plus r means 5 plus 6, that is 11. 11 plus q, that is 6 again. So 11 plus 6 is 17. 17. So 17 is lesser than 9. Okay, 17 is lesser than, sorry, 9 is lesser than 17. Okay, so it is true. We have to go inside the if block. So p is equal to 4 plus 9 and q. So 13 and q, you have to perform this 13 and q. So as I have told you earlier, there is 1100 is 13. So 1101 is 13. As I have shown you here, 1101 is 13. So if we perform this 4 plus 9, that is 13, is equivalent to 1101 and q. So q is 6. So this is again equivalent to 110. Okay, so if we perform AND operation, bitwise AND operation, then it becomes 10. Sorry, it is like one statement is false, then whole statement will be false. One statement is false, then whole statement will be false. If both are true, only that case the statement will be true. So here also 10, that means one statement is false, so it will be false only. So 100 is for 4. So value of p becomes 4. Okay, value of p becomes 4, value of r becomes 6, and value of q becomes 6 only. So 6 is the value of q. R is 6, and for phi this is 4. So 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 4, that is 16. I hope it is little bit messed up here, so still I hope this is like understandable. So answer is 16. So I hope your answer is also same. So option B will be the correct answer. So I hope you guys already answered the quick answer. Please like give me the answer. I'll love it, and I'll also comment on your, I'll reply on your answer. Okay, so let me go to the next section, that is game based aptitude, and that will be very much important. And let me share one thing, that is there will be various rounds. Okay, numero, there will be one round, that will be called a numero, and then Geosudo. Okay, Geosudo, then let's say Sudoku, I mean puzzle, motion challenge. Okay, motion challenge. So there will be various rounds. Okay, and every round will have separate round. Okay, every round will have level 1, level 2, level 3. So this way there will be rounds. So if you are solving all the quiz questions answer very fast, then you will be moving forward to various level, various sections. So your, let's say there are total 70 rounds are there, and if you are able to solve up to 15, then your number will be greater. And like if you are solving up to 20 level or 20 round, then it will be greater, it will be better for you only, because number of marks will be higher. If you have solved lesser questions in pseudocode or in MCQ, then this will impact, this game based aptitude will impact. Okay, so let me share a few questions from game based aptitude, so that it will be better for you only. Okay, so the first question is from numero. So guys, in this type of problem there will be one equation. Well, okay, you have to just fill one number with the in the blank, so that the answer will be this. Okay, so in this case 5 plus 4 into what is equal to 13. So you can assume this as x and you can solve the equation, or if you know how to solve it, so you can just randomly, I mean you can just from your subconscious brain you can put any number here and guess if it is getting 13 or not. Okay, like I am doing 4 into 4, that will be 16, but it will not work. 4 into 2, that is 8. 8 plus 5, that is 13. 4 into 2, that is 8 plus 5, that is 13. So you have to just click on this 2 and it will be your answer. Okay, nothing else. This is a game based aptitude first round, so there will be various type of rounds, various type of sections, so this can be one round. Okay, and there will be more complicated more complicated equations, so you just be prepared for that. Like let's say 7 plus 8 multi plus 3 multiply something is equal to, let's say they have given 30, sorry, 300. So what will be the answer? So here like 7 plus 8, that is 15. So do something so that it becomes 300. I don't know if this is possible or not to make 30, but still this way they can give you answer and they can increase the level of difficulties like as much as you can solve that's way. Okay, okay, so let me just share the next type of problem. So Geosudo will be the next type of problem. So this is very important because most of the questions will be from Geosudo. So please let just hear me carefully. So in this type of problem, this is quite like a Sudoku type of problem or puzzle question. So what you have to do here, just you have to arrange these figures horizontally and vertically, but in horizontal and in vertical line there should not be any match. Okay, all should be identical or different. Okay, that means if here plus if here triangle, then in this line triangle and plus no longer be possible. Okay, so there must be one square and one circle. Okay, so I hope you understood what you have to do here. So let me just answer this. So as you can see here, you have to replace this question mark with any of this. So what we have to do, as you can see here, plus is already there in this line, in this column. So here plus is not possible, plus is not possible here. Okay, and here plus and triangle already present. So triangle sorry, here already circle is present, so here circle is not possible, circle is not possible. Okay, so obviously among any of these will be possible here, but already a triangle present here, already triangle present here. So here or here the any of these will be present. Okay, so triangle you can just replace the square here. Okay, sorry, you can just replace the square here. Okay, and you can replace this circle here. Okay, then as you can see here, already circle and square present in this row and plus is present here, so plus is not possible here. So plus should be there in this row at like at least once. So plus is not possible here and only one space left apart from this, so it should be occupied with plus only. Okay, so this question mark will be replaced with the rest figure, that is triangle. Okay, so this way you have to solve the problem. So I hope you understood. So option C will be the correct answer. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So I hope you understood, and as much as you can solve the questions, difficulty level will be increased. Like as you can see here, 4 rows and 4 columns are present, and in the next level you will have 6 cross 6 rows columns. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let me show the next question. Sorry guys. Again guys, I'm just requesting you to have the prime materials. It will be very much helpful to you. It is just deciding your career. You have to just spend 79 rupees for your career. Okay, so I hope you will consider it, and you just DM me at our channel, or you can just use the UPI ID given in the description box, rwajeda@oksbi, and send me the screenshot of the payment at our channel. Okay, so the next type of problem is motion challenge. So in this type of problem, they will ask you like how many steps are required to solve this puzzle, or these questions can be asked differently, like just replace this circle, red circle, to this black circle. Replace, put this, like pull this red circle to this black circle. Okay, so at first, like the first one, they can ask how many steps you are required, and how many, like how you can replace this to this. Okay, so this way they can ask. So let me just solve this type of problem once. So here the like you have to pull this green rectangle to upwards once. So this is one step. Then you can drag this to the left. So this is the second step. Okay, then you can just pull this one to left, and this will be the third step. And then it will be like blank, it will be blank. So you can just directly pull this red circle to the black circle. Okay, so this will be the fourth step. Okay, this is a obstacle. You cannot over like you cannot overlap this. Okay, but you can overlap this. Okay, so total 4 steps are required to replace this red circle to the black circle. Okay, and here as you can see, only few figures are present, but as soon as you are going to the next section, next level, then more figures, more circles will be there. So just be prepared for that. Okay, so this much of discussion I need to do with you guys. So I hope this much of discussion is also helpful for you. So if you loved this video, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and don't forget to share this content with your friend, and just give a like guys, give a like. This doesn't cost anything. So just like, share and subscribe, and then watch the playlist regarding any company that you want. And again, if you like want to discuss more, then just join our Telegram channel t.me/UBK Anna. UBK Anna. You will you'll get various updates regarding various companies. So just join there. Thank you for the session.